Dearly beloved, welcome to this sacred meditation on the day of Ganesh Visarjan. I, Shweta Agarwal, feel deeply blessed to guide you on this journey of release and renewal. Today, as countless devotees immerse Ganesha into the flowing waters of the sacred rivers, we too will immerse our grief, attachments, and expectations into His infinite love. This is not goodbye, it is letting go, dissolving of burdens that no longer serve us, and an awakening of freedom, wisdom, and light. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in, and gently exhale, letting go of any stress or trouble. You see a golden river shimmering in the distance, its water carrying light and blessings. From its glow, a radiant presence emerges. It is Lord Ganesh. His gentle elephant face, one tusk shining, the other broken as a mark of sacrifice and wisdom. His crown gleams with jewels, yet his eyes are soft and filled with laughter. In one hand, he carries a modak, the sweetness of life's rewards. In the other, he holds the Ankush, or a goad, guiding your path. In his third hand, a lotus, the promise of purity. And the fourth is raised in blessing. In the Abhay Mudra, the assurance of protection. And by his side, his beloved Mushak, the little mouse, scurries playfully, a reminder that even the smallest companion carries divine importance. Ganesh waves his trunk and with magical grace creates a beautiful seat made of glowing light. He lowers himself into it, his laughter warm, his presence comforting. Then he looks at you and with a nod invites you to sit beside him. Feel yourself stepping closer to him, sitting near him, as if a child is sitting next to a beloved parent or an elder sibling. His presence surrounds you in love, safety, and joy. You are home. Ganesh looks into your eyes and speaks gently. What is it, my child, that weighs on your heart? What are you ready to release? This is your chance. Bring forth into your awareness all the heaviness that you carry. Perhaps it's grief for someone or something you've lost. Perhaps it is an attachment to a person, a past, or an identity that no longer serves you. Perhaps it is disappointment, an expectation of how life should have been but wasn't. Perhaps it is guilt, shame, or regret. Or maybe it is anger or resentment that you can't seem to let go. Or is it the fear of letting go itself? One by one, name them to Ganesh. And as you name them, visualize each of these patterns as a stone in your hands, heavy, sharp, and painful. As you speak out their names, place these stones in the bowl of light that Ganesh holds before you. As each stone drops in, it dissolves instantly into golden light, leaving only peace in its place. Feel the relief with every release. As you let go of all that is willing to be gone, pause and ask yourself, what else am I still clinging to that no longer belongs to me? What do I fear losing, even though it weighs me down? Who or what am I finally ready to release with love? Offer it all. Let Ganesh take it away from you with compassion and kindness. Feel the lightness returning to your heart, your breath, and your body. As you let go and release, Ganesh leans closer, his trunk gently touching your forehead in blessing. A wave of golden energy enters your body, filling the spaces once occupied by pain and hurt. Where there was grief, there is now peace. Where there was attachment, there is freedom. Where there was expectation, there is acceptance. Where there was fear, there is now courage. He whispers softly, "My child, when you let go, you do not lose. You make space for life to return as a gift, as a blessing, as joy." With his words, see your heart now glowing like a lotus, open and radiant. Your body feels lighter as if floating. Your mind clearer, free of all chains. Your soul feels embraced, safe in divine love. You notice Ganesh's Mushak circling around you playfully, reminding you that joy is simple and life is to be lived with lightness. As you sit next to Ganesh, feel yourself absorbing not only his blessing but also his qualities. His laughter reminds you not to take life heavily. His strength reminds you that you are safe. His wisdom guides you to discern what to hold and what to release. His love is unconditional, eternal, and ever present. Stay here for a few breaths, simply basking in this union and freedom. Ganesh stands up, still smiling, still watching over you. He blesses you once more, placing his hand over your crown. Behind him, the golden river flows endlessly, carrying away all that you have surrendered. But know this, he is not leaving. His form may return to light, but his essence lives in your heart. As he disappears into the river, you hear his voice within. Do not cling, my child. Life is fluid. Let go and flow with it. You will always find me within you. Breathe deeply, carrying his blessing, his joy, his love into your very being. Ganesh Visarjan is not a farewell. It is freedom. It is the reminder that nothing is truly lost, only transformed. When you let go with love, you make space for miracles. When you release into the divine, you are never empty. You are filled with peace. May Ganesh's laughter lighten your burdens. May his wisdom guide your steps. May his love forever live in your heart. With Ganesh in your heart, choose to come back to this reality. Pull your consciousness back into your bodies and ground yourself by commanding 3 times, I am fully seated in my body. I am fully seated in my body. I am fully seated in my body. Whenever you choose to, rub your hands together, put them on your eyes, and start opening your eyes. Come back to this beautiful love and live with the wisdom of Ganesh. Till we meet again next time, stay safe and stay blessed.